Switchback! Hey, it's Eric with Ride Labs, and I'm in American Fork Canyon with Nathan and Steven. Steven's with Dirt Church MTB. Check out his channel. And we're going to go ride, what'd you say? Chris
Flats.
Chris Flats.
Trail 151.
Trail 151. So we're going to check that out. Stay tuned. Okay, so there's like a blue diamond or something. The little Timpanuki Road and turn right, heading west. I have climbed up this on my fat bike, and it got really steep.
Yeah, it might get pretty steep.
So we're on 180, which connects to 151.
Yeah, we want to go to the right.
Yeah, this is where I climbed on my fat bike.
Yeah, this might be pretty gnarly.
Yeah, it is. No! This will be fun to come down. Oh, it's tiring. So that ridge is pretty intense. Okay, here we are exploring up at the top of this big ridge in American Fork Canyon, and we're headed toward Chris Flats. We're not sure if we're close.
We're on Chris Flats.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Sweet.
This is Chris Flats, Trail 151. I
Nice.
think it may also be part of the Great Western Trail.
Oh, cool.
Or at least connects to it.
And it was very hike-a-bike-ish. Yeah, it was only 1.5 miles of hike-a-bike. Woo! We're all dripping. Okay. Bear Canyon to the right. Interesting. Yeah, that's fun. How's it going, guys?
Not my dog.
Hey, he just bit me.
Whoa.
Dude.
Are you okay? Did it break skin?
Yeah, right, man.
How's it going, guys?
Not my dog.
Hey, he just bit me.
Hey, he just bit me.
Whoa.
Dude.
Are you okay? Did it break skin?
Yeah, right, man.
Yeah, I'm okay, but he did break skin, but...
It did? If it did break skin, you should probably get rabies information.
Are you kidding me?
You're right, dude.
Hey.
It's my buddy Austin's dog.
How do I find out if they have, like, rabies or...
I
I
guarantee they
got
do.
no rabies, dude. She's bit me before. Just because you're on her bike and they don't know you.
I have first aid kit if you need something.
No, I'm good.
Sorry about that.
All right, that's cool. Oh, this is the road, yeah.
There it is.
Okay. I don't think I've ever been bit by a dog. Yeah. Well, that was fun. Hey, Maybe we should just go all the way and then drive my van back up.
I don't know if I have time for that.
Okay, should we turn around though? Because we just lost a lot of vertical.
We did.
Oh, look at that. Well, let's see this dog bite. So more of a bruise, but he did break my skin. Oh, my knee just popped. Okay, so this is that dog bite. How fun. They say a dog's mouth is clean, right? Shouldn't that be okay?
You'll still want to infect it when you get back.
Disinfect it?
Yeah, or yeah, did I say infect it?
It's already been infected. Well, maybe we should go all the way to the road and then go back on the road and then turn at the camp where we got bit, and maybe someone else will get bit.
We're still a ways away from
the road
the
intersection?
road.
We've got to do Bear Canyon. Oh, we could just do it.
Yeah, you guys can go do whatever you want.
It's true. Hold the dogs. Hey pup, we're just gonna pass. Thanks guys.
Sorry about that.
As long as I don't die from something, yeah. Yeah, everyone made it. All right, one hill we could climb. It's a good feeling. All right, well, Steve has to get back to his car, and we just noticed that Bear Canyon turnoff is right. Let me show you the sign here. So we're gonna ditch you, Steve. Thanks for the ride. Thanks for the hike a bike. That was a blast. And Nate and I are going to go down Bear Canyon. So here we go.
All right.
All right. Rutted. Whoa, stick in road. Here, let's just move it. All right, making the world a better place, one stick at a time. Whoa. Let's see, Bear Canyon still. I think that's it. Wow. We just passed Bear Canyon Spur. Oh. Some chunk in there. Whoa. Wow, this is fun. I've never done this before. Nice. Better wait for Nate. Make sure he's good. Okay, found Nate. It's not a good trail for a cross-country bike. Nate, how would you say it does on the cross-country bike? Kind of beats you up though, huh? Nice, good attitude. Okay, here's a bar. All I ask for is a bite. By the way, before we continue on down the trail, I want to say, if you like watching these videos, I hope you'll click the subscribe button. It's my logo there in the corner. And that way you can follow along with more mountain biking adventures and bike reviews and trail reviews and all that good stuff. All right, here we go. Back on the trail. Oh. Whoa. Last time I did that just fine. Riders! Ring ring! Rocky rubble. Ooh, fun. Some cool shale spots. Hikers! We're good. We'll wait for you guys. Come ahead. All right. I just don't want to stress you out. Okay. You actually have the right of way, but thanks. Oh! Oh! Okay, stop, stop, stop. Oh, nice, Nate. Oh! You managed that like a boss. Good job. That's gnarly. So we go that way, switchbacks. There are going to be some more, if I remember right from the video. I did not expect that to be it though. That was cool. Switchback! Still want him to die, that's all. It's just my kid, you know. Kind of like him. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. Fun. No big boulders or anything, but you know, lots of rocky shale, very loose. Some chunkies, but mostly loose, like shale stuff. But it's fun. Bear Canyon, I like it. Wouldn't want to hike a bike out of that thing. Sweet. Another switchback. Another switchback. Oh. Tight one, tight one. Can you make it? I should have moved, sorry. Another one. Let's see if I can make this one. Oh yeah. Oh, almost not, but yeah, this is more chunky through here. dirty chunky, you know. So fun. And another tight switchback after jumping. That's a hard one, but I got it. Let's make sure Nate makes it through that. Did you fall out? Did you crash? Oh, so you didn't crash, but your bike crashed. He fell off on his feet, so I guess only his bike crashed. What's that? Crazy, huh? I like it. That was a fun trail. Burley Chunk in AF Canyon. Hello.
How was that trail?
Woo, so fun.
Was it?
It's craziness. I know, but coming down it
It's
on a
okay.
bike, yeah.
It feels bumpy, but if you like, kind of like just let it flow, you know, it's like riding with your bike. Like, you kind of like go faster down it and it's not as bumpy for you.
I've never ridden it. That was a blast though, because I like chunky stuff, you know.
Yes.
Right on. Is this how we get out right here?
Yeah, you just go follow that straight
Awesome.
down, take you down to the 92.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
See ya. To our car. Just watch for cars. You gotta be so careful in this canyon. All right, well that was a blast. Bear Canyon. I like it. Car, Nate, you gotta get over. Gotta get over, there's a car. Don't bend your rim. There's a car. Dude. Nate, there's a car right on our tail. Stop. There's another one, another one. Oh my goodness. Nate, you gotta look over your shoulder. Another one. That was Steven. Another car. Slow down. Oh my goodness. Nate, you gotta get aware of what's happening. Dang. How do you teach your kids when they just don't listen? He's 21. Criminy. Dude, you are stressing me out. You almost died. When that guy was passing on the corner where he was risking his life, I fell way back. And then you were just like right there. If they had hit, you would have died. I'm just saying. Okay, you missed out.
Well, I saw Nate almost died just bunny hopping and like almost.
I know, he's almost bending his rim. I'm like, dude, and there's a car right behind him. If you would have fallen from that bunny hop where you're getting all sideways, that car would have hit you.
Oh, I was hopping over a pothole.
You were hopping over piles and throwing tail out.
Those ones I was trying to get over the lines, the black lines. They're
Dude, safety first, bro, or you can't ride with me, okay? Okay, safety first. Okay, thanks.
So how was Bear? Where did you guys come
So
out?
good, the scout camp.
You should have
Or-
told us.
or
Oh,
church
it's
or, like,
amazing.
mutual. Like coming down what we rode or hiked up.
I bet that
pretty-
was so
It was pretty
good.
fun too. So I don't feel like I missed out.
No, I want to still go back and do that.
Yeah.
Hey,
Right up
Yeah,
there
why
more.
don't we ride AF
Yeah.
like every day?
I don't know.
Bear Canyon. That was
Oh,
so
no, there-
fun,
okay.
and Steven missed out because he thought he didn't have time, but we saw him at the bottom. He knew.
Yeah, well,
was
I
there.
drove and I would have
That's
had
true.
to like
That's
ride
true.
away.
We would
back
still
up.
have to do another like 40 minutes of driving. All right, well, hey, thanks for watching our ride. Click the subscribe button, my logo over there, Ride Labs logo, and follow along for more.